cat butt. Went shopping. Hey, buddy. That was my favorite cat in the world, huh? Come here, I need your opinion on something. Come here. Come here. Look at what I got. I got you a brand new food dish. It's a dog bone, but oh well. It's the only one that had as big a... What do you think? Do you like? It holds more water and more food. So you don't have to keep on refilling your water dish and food dish like twice a day. What do you think? You like that? So there's this. Got some more stuff. I got some double-sided sticky tape. You can never go wrong with double-sided sticky tape. I swear. Okay, there's that. Then I have some drill bits in my truck. Oh, no. Let's go with the drill bits first. I have some drill bits in my truck, and some of them are broken. So I got drill bits. $2. They'll probably break real easy, but I don't care. Whatever. Doesn't matter. I might not even use them. Then I put a nail set. Or a center punch, whatever you want to call it. And since my outside thermometer on my truck, it does a really poor job. Where the outside the truck, well, it's not outside the truck, it's underneath the hood, right next to the radiator. Why it's right next to the radiator is the sensor for the outside temperature. Okay, so it gives me anywhere from 2 to 12 or more degrees of temperature change. You know, because it's really hot out. The radiator puts out a lot of heat, so it's hotter than normal. And when it's really cold out, it reads warmer than it really is. So you can be driving, you can think it's like 36 degrees, and it's 31 degrees, and it's sleet. You're on solid ice, and your outside thermometer is telling you, yeah, it's warm enough, and it's not. So, how about this? Inside, outside thermometer with a little sensor right here. Can run through the door and hook it on my mirror someplace. Cool. Will it work? Probably not. I'm gonna try it. Sure. Why not? It was only $7. So I went shopping. That's awesome. Double feeder pet dish. It's from Duke's Pet Products, made in China. Oh well, another Chinese product. His original one's also made from China. Whatever, doesn't matter. So, we are still in Salt Lake. It's almost noontime. So, I bought some, what is it? I bought some super glue. So what I did, I've been having trouble with my straw on my coffee cup, where this thing keeps spinning around and the straw goes in different directions at the bottom of the cup. You know, this thing goes in different directions at the bottom of the cup, and it kind of irritating because I have to grab hold of the cup with my hand while I'm driving, grab the end of the straw, pull it out, spin it around a little bit, push it back down so it's down inside the coffee in one spot so I can slurp it out, right? So what I did, I bought some super glue and I super glued the straw to the cap in this one little spot right here, which is I able to undo here, and pull this off. I can pull it out, clean it, whatever, whatnot. And then what I did is that I took a piece of hose that I cut off a wrecked truck at the yard, and I super glued it right there near the bottom of the cup. I have about that much space near the bottom of the cup that's off the floor of the cup, and it's going to be completely covered in coffee, but I super glued it, and it's been in there for a few days all drying out. So when I had to put this in there, I had to feel for that, and no problem. Now, this thing doesn't go anywhere. I love it. Awesome. So I did that. We'll see how this do. I don't know if coffee will make super glue soft and make that float out, or it will poison me. Don't know. Find out. Truck driver killed by super glue in coffee cup. So we'll see what happens. Hi, too funny. Okay, Pro Value drill bit set for metal, wood. You can use it for plastic too, and it is 1/16 down to 1/4 inch. No, up to 1/4 inch. So I'll deal with this later. And I'll deal with this later. I'll put most of this stuff, I'll just put it right there in my toolbox, which is on the floorboard of the passenger seat. Double-sided tape. 2 pieces, 3/4 inches wide, 16 feet long per roll. Or 19 millimeters by 5 meters. So, made in China. Everything's fucking made in China. Indoor, outdoor. So let's work on this indoor outdoor thermometer and see what we can do about it. Maybe this is where we're going to start with my double-sided sticky tape. If I can clean my my mirror mount really good, since this has this metal bracket right here with this little hole thing on the top, okay? This little barrel right here goes inside that little hole thing right there after you use screws here and screw it into your wall or whatever, and it shows the blue one, which is your outside thermometer, and your red one is your inside thermometer. Okay, so that's what that does. So I'm not going to screw it into the mirror. I don't want to do that. So we'll try using the double-sided sticky tape. If that doesn't work, I think it should. I think what I need to do is just attach it straight to the mirror itself, but not the mirror mount. You know, because my mirror mount's a big, huge plastic bucket that has the mirror inside, but I can get the side of the mirror itself. So I think I have to just put it on the side of the mirror. So, yeah. Or should I put it on the inside of the mirror bucket so it's out of the wind altogether? That's even a better idea. Yeah. Good call. But I have to clean on the inside to see if it's smooth enough to take that. It's no problem. I got this stuff. This is windshield washer fluid. And this sprayer will cost me $4. And I got paper towels. So I think attaching it to this window right here, but if the window gets really cold, it's going to show the outside thermometer wrong. So I might attach it over here to the door pillar, but then I won't be able to see the outside thermometer. I wonder how long this thing is. Figure 1. That's figure 2. Foam tuning, form tubing over window seal in figure 1 to avoid sharp edges. Mounting screw template 4 1/4 inches. Oh, Oh, that's for the back side of this. Huh. Don't crush the tubing. Don't crush the brass tubing and don't cut it. Okay. Well, you know, instead of putting it out there on the mirror, I might just put it right in the inside, the door pillar. So it gets the air from outside. It gets the air from outside over the top of it. It's out of the sun. It's not going to be affected by the temperature on the inside of the cab. And it gives me more length to put this part like up here. Up there. Well, it's kind of long, but it'll work. That'll work there. Yeah, that'll kind of work. All right. I might have to get some longer screws and just screw right through the center. Drill a hole here and drill a hole down here and just put screws straight here right into the wall. But we'll see. Anyway, I've been rambling for almost 12 minutes, so I'll talk to you later.